Let's make a delicious braised beef ragu. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is season these bad boys up. I just got some salt. I'm gonna let them dry brine for just a minute in this salt. And I just wanna get a good seasoning on each one. Make sure I salt all the sides of each of these beautiful short ribs. I'm telling you, it's gonna make for a great ragu in this dish. And these are gonna cook low and slow and just add so much flavor. This is what you want. They're nice and meaty. And we're gonna add all the other ingredients, get a good sear on each one. The key is making sure that these are seasoned well throughout, okay? So that's what we gotta do, guys. Try to make these pieces as even as possible because, you know, you want everything to cook all at the same time. Cut the shallot. I'm developing flavors here. That's the beauty of every ingredient that we add in, is we want to make sure we develop some really good flavor. This is what you want. This is how you make food taste good. Just take your time, enjoy the process. Even when things don't go the way you want it to go, like this guy being stubborn. But that's just part of cooking. So for me, I enjoy every part of being in this kitchen and just, you know, cooking is what makes me happy. But this is a great recipe that you can cook for your family. It takes a little bit of time to prep all the ingredients, but once you have everything, such a nice, you know, such a great dish, nice depth of flavor, and it's one that you can eat really for a couple of days because the longer it sits, the better it gets. I promise you on that. Coming together nicely. Get some thyme and also some rosemary in there with a couple bay leaves. Stir those in, and then we're gonna get this in the oven. And this is gonna cook for about 2.5 to 3 hours. But it's gonna be perfect. And then we're gonna shred the meat, make that ragu. Let's cover it up, get it in the oven. All right, the beef is almost done. I want to go ahead and get my pasta water salted. The thing about pasta, you salt it like the ocean, okay? In order for the water, I mean, it's a lot of water in here, so make sure you add a good amount of salt. And we're just going to bring this up to a boil and get it ready for the beef and that ragu. We're going to mix everything all together. It's going to be on point. We got to taste this one. I mean, the meat is so tender. That is so good. I'm telling you, y'all got to make this recipe. It is on point, and I'll see you on the next one.